In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use people columns in Monday.com fast and easy. Monday.com is an amazing tool designed to help teams collaborate better and manage projects efficiently. One of its standout features is the people column, which allows you to assign tasks and foster team accountability seamlessly. Now let's dive into the details of setting it up and using it to its full potential. To begin, you'll want to add a people column to your board. If this is your first time doing so, simply navigate to the column menu located at the top right of your board. It's represented by a plus sign icon. Click on this icon, and you'll see a variety of column types that you can add. In this case, look for the one labeled People and click on it. This action will add the People column to your existing board, making it ready for you to begin assigning tasks to your team members. Now, with the People column in place, the next step is to click on a cell within this column corresponding to a task you want to allocate. This action will prompt a drop-down menu that lists all team members who are part of your Monday.com workspace. From here, you can assign a specific teammate to this particular task by clicking on their name. This process is simple and helps ensure everyone is clear about their responsibilities, which enhances overall productivity. A great aspect of the People column is its flexibility. You can assign multiple assignees to a single task. If you require more than one person to collaborate on a task, simply click on the cell again and select additional team members. This feature is incredibly useful for projects that require team effort and ensures that everyone involved stays informed and accountable. Lastly, the use of people columns isn't limited to just delegating tasks. They're pivotal for establishing task ownership, which is crucial for team accountability and project management success. When team members see their names associated with tasks, they realize the responsibility and importance of their role in the project's success. This sense of ownership can significantly boost morale and performance, leading to a more engaged and efficient team. Remember, using people columns in Monday.com is a straightforward process that can dramatically enhance your team's collaboration and project workflow. By assigning tasks directly within the board and making responsibilities visible to everyone involved, you can maintain transparency and ensure that nothing falls through the cracks. So don't hesitate to explore this feature further and adapt it to suit your team's specific needs. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide helped you understand the benefits and usage of people columns in Monday.com. Happy collaborating!